The brakes didn't want to work so well when we got this bike in, and we used the All Balls Racing caliper rebuild kit, which is nice. It comes with everything you need and good quality. Some of the seals and stuff, it's hard to remember to get when you just have worn out pads. Still need to hook this one up and bleed it. Even get the new copper washers, which is nice to have so you don't have any leaks. Nice good seal, torque the bolt down properly. It's always good to have a nice fresh air filter ready to go. Extend the engine life and keep it running properly. Got a fresh set of rings. Everything else seems to be in spec. And why not repack the muffler? New stickers. Oh yeah.